Hello friends, today I am going to show how to cook chicken Seekh roll. For that you need chicken Seekh Kebabs, and I will grill them in my grill pan now. So put some oil here and grill the chicken Seekh. So any kebabs without green chutney is incomplete. So for the green chutney you need coriander leaves, mint leaves. The proportion is like you have to take 2 cups of coriander leaves and 1 cup of mint leaves. Along with that you need chilies, green chilies, garlics, some lime juice, curd, yogurt, salt, pinch of sugar and black salt. So you need to grind this together and you will get this kind of sauce. I'll keep aside the kebabs now. I have already prepared my dough, so I will start making the rotis.
Roll the rotis.
So first apply some green chutney on the roti. Place the Seekh. Some mayonnaise. Some onions. So you can see my chicken Seekh roll is ready. You can serve with green chutney, onion, lemon. So try this yummy recipe. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.